Hey guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word что, or what. The Russian default mouth position makes everything sound instantly more Russian. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. It's better to exaggerate this at first. You can always walk it back later, but if you don't exaggerate it, you may never get there. Let's try our word. Here we go. Jaw tongue lips. Что? 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 Make sure the tip of your tongue is behind your bottom teeth for the te. Jaw tongue lips. Что? Что? The English O actually closes to an oo sound. Oh. Oh. But Russian does the opposite. Start closed and open up a little, either from an O to an ah sound or from an oo to an o sound. O. O. Let's put it all together. Jaw tongue lips. Что? 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!